Light snow for today, and then for this weekend, we are going to be dry, but it is all about some frigid temperatures. As we look at our current conditions, temperatures are in the 20s, so yes, you still want to bundle up. We have dew points in the teens, so a very dry air mass, and you can see that off to the north. That drier air is keeping any of these snow flurries down to the south. So some light snow across Springfield, down across Connecticut, and even some light snow that's been reported across the islands with some flurries starting across Cape Cod. Wide picture, the main storm is going to stay to our south and east. So really, any of the higher snow amounts are going to be focused down to the south across New Jersey, Pennsylvania, across West Virginia. Several inches to about 10 inches of snow is possible through those locations. For us, this is more about a light snow, timing it out anywhere from midday, early afternoon through tonight. I think that's when we're going to start to pick up on some of that accumulation. Coating to 4 inches is possible, and really the higher end of things more localized, favoring areas across southern Plymouth County and Barnstable County. Minimal impacts. The main impact here is going to be your travel, especially later on this afternoon and evening, traveling along Route 3 and Route 6. Here we go into today. A lot of cloud cover around upper 20s, low 30s for our highs. And here you see by midday afternoon, we're keeping some of those snow showers mainly favoring the coast. Into the afternoon and evening is when we start to accumulate a little bit more across areas of southeast Mass. What happens here is we've got a northeast wind, and that's going to promote some colder temperatures aloft across the relatively mild ocean waters, where water temperatures around 43 degrees. So this is going to add more moisture to the area, create some instability, and this is the reason why you're seeing a little bit more in the way of snow there. The band continues to shift off to the east, still lingering across Cape Cod by tonight, and then it's out of here through the overnight, and then it is all about the cold. As we look at the snowfall forecast, coating is possible for a good majority of us. You're seeing that North Shore along and near to north of the Mass Pike. Coating to 2 inches possible across southeast Mass, and then your higher end 2 to 3 inches for southern Plymouth County, and then into Barnstable County. Localized 4 inches is also possible in those areas. So that's the snow. Then we move on to the cold. You look off to Canada, temperatures in the single digits below freezing, and we are going to drop those temperatures through the overnight into the single digits and the teens, but it's feeling much colder, and that'll be the main story for this weekend. So you look at our temperature trend. Highs tomorrow just struggle to reach the low 20s. Coldest day so far this season. Then we get into the upper 20s by Sunday, but you have to take into account this northwest breeze ushering in the colder air and making it feel like it is going to be below zero for areas from Boston points north and west, feeling more like the single digits across southeast Mass. Into the afternoon, still feeling like the single digits for a lot of us. And then by Sunday, we have to do it all over again, at least for the morning. Areas north and west feeling like it's below zero, and then by the afternoon, feeling more like the teens. All right, if you've had enough of the cold, wait a few days for our 7-day forecast. We'll get back in the 40s next week. Next chance for a storm late Tuesday and into Wednesday.